Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about the top 10 AI tools every student should learn in 2026. These tools will help you learn faster, write sharper, and build a future-ready career. Let's dive in. 10 tools, real use cases, pricing, and pro tips. AI is no longer optional. It's becoming the core literacy of modern education and work. There are 4 reasons why. First, smarter learning. AI gives you personalized explanations and 24/7 tutoring support. Second, career-ready skills. Employers now expect graduates to be fluent in AI tools. Third, time saved. Automating research and formatting lets you focus on real thinking. And fourth, the future of work. By 2027, nearly every industry will run on AI-assisted workflows. Look at this stat panel. 85% of future jobs will require baseline AI literacy. AI tools already make work 3 times faster, and 70% of students are already using an AI tool every week. Let's start with 2 of the most popular tools, ChatGPT and Google Gemini. ChatGPT is a conversational AI that answers questions across every subject, helps draft essays and code, and can even build custom GPTs for revision plans. It's free, with a Plus plan at $20 per month. Best for homework help and brainstorming. Pro tip: ask it to quiz you instead of just explaining. Active recall sticks better. Google Gemini integrates directly with Docs, Sheets, and Gmail, is multimodal, handling text, images, and voice, and gives real-time web-grounded answers. It's free with an advanced plan at $19.99 per month. Best for research inside Docs and Gmail. Pro tip: use it right inside Docs to summarize long readings in seconds. Next up, Microsoft Copilot and Claude AI. Copilot is built directly into Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Perfect for polishing assignments and getting help with Excel formulas. Free with Microsoft 365 Copilot at $20 per month. Best for reports, slides, and spreadsheets. Pro tip: paste rough notes into Word and ask Copilot to structure them instantly. Claude AI is a thoughtful, safety-first AI known for reasoning through long documents and producing clear, structured writing. Free with a Pro plan at $20 per month. Best for long readings, essays, and analysis. Pro tip: upload a full PDF textbook chapter and ask it to build a structured study guide. Now let's look at Perplexity AI and Grammarly. Perplexity is an AI search engine that answers every question with live cited sources, built for research. Free, with a Pro plan at $20 per month. Best for research papers and fact-checking. Pro tip: use academic focus mode to pull answers straight from journals. Grammarly is your AI writing coach. It checks grammar, tone, and clarity, and even catches plagiarism. Free with a premium plan at $12 per month. Best for polishing essays and emails. Pro tip: set your goal to academic tone before writing your next essay. Now the design and presentation tools. Canva AI and Gamma. Canva AI is a design platform with built-in AI that instantly creates posters, presentations, and social graphics. Free, with a Pro plan at $12.99 per month. Best for posters and visual projects. Pro tip: try Magic Switch to turn one design into a doc, a deck, and a post all at once. Gamma turns a short outline into a fully designed presentation, document, or web page in minutes. Free with a Plus plan at $10 per month. Best for fast presentations and pitches. Pro tip: feed it your essay outline to get a presentation-ready deck instantly. Our last 2 tools, NotebookLM and Notion AI. NotebookLM is an AI research notebook that turns only your own uploaded sources into summaries, Q&A, and audio overviews. Free, with Plus included in Google One AI. Best for exam revision and source-based research. Pro tip: upload all your lecture slides and ask it to build a revision quiz. Notion AI is an all-in-one workspace that automatically organizes your notes, tasks, and projects. Free. With a Plus plan at $10 per month. Best for organizing notes and group projects. Pro tip. Ask Notion AI to turn a messy lecture dump into a clean outline. Now let's see a quick comparison of all 10 tools. Tool, best for, free version, premium price, ease of use, and student rating. As you can see, every tool offers a free version, and most rate between 4.2 and 4.5 out of 5. This table should help you decide which tool to try first. Here's how these tools chain together in a real project, from research all the way to publishing. Start with Perplexity and Gemini for research. Move to ChatGPT and Grammarly for writing. Then Gamma or Copilot for your presentation. Canva AI for images. Canva AI again for video. And finally, Notion AI to publish. Chain these tools together, and a project that used to take days now takes just hours. Here's a sample AI-powered study routine across a full day. In the morning, use NotebookLM to review an AI-generated summary of yesterday's lecture notes. In the afternoon, use Perplexity and Gemini to research assignments with cited real-time sources. In the evening, use ChatGPT and Grammarly to draft and polish your essays and reports. And at night, use Notion AI to organize your notes and auto-plan tomorrow's to-do list. Small, consistent AI habits across the day add up to big results. Let's look a little further ahead. AI in education, adaptive courses, AI tutors, and personalized curricula are becoming the classroom norm. AI-powered careers. New roles are emerging. AI product manager, prompt strategist, automation analyst. AI certifications. Micro-credentials from Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI are becoming resume must-haves. And 2027 trends. Agentic AI, on-device models, and voice-first study assistants are going mainstream. To close, one simple but powerful thought. The students who learn AI today will lead tomorrow. We covered 10 tools: ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, Claude, Perplexity, Grammarly, Canva AI, Gamma, NotebookLM, and Notion AI. It all comes down to one mindset. Use AI to think deeper, create faster, and stand out everywhere you go next. My ask to all of you: pick one tool and start today. Thank you.